Welcome to my latest listing at 2407 Northwest 12th Street in Cape Coral, Florida. Let's take a look at this beautiful home that's ready for you to move into. With custom designed farmhouse style, this is a perfect gem for any Pinterest lover. One of the first things that came to my mind when I walked through the front door was how perfectly well thought out this space was for entertaining. Thank you for joining me on this tour today of this beautiful home. I hope that it inspired you to come to have a private showing for yourself. And until next time, have a great day.